Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After create a page for an ID card design, go to the element and search for a shape. Here we are going to take a hexagonal shape. Take this shape and adjust it on the top of the page like this, and let's change the color in orange. Then press Alt and copy this shape and make it smaller. Let's change the shape. Let's take this shape and make it smaller and make it a copy too, and go to the corner rounding and make both of the shape corner. And now go to the frame and let's take this similar frame like shape again, like shape. Before that, adjust both of the shapes and like shape. Make the frame corner round and give it a border. Change the border color in white. Then again go to the element and search for a white texture. Let's take this texture and rotate it and replace it to the background. Now go to the element and let's search for a picture. Type corporate man and search a picture. Let's change the keyword professional man. Let's take this picture and adjust it with the frame. Click it and adjust it the picture in middle. Then take a text box and type the name Liberty. We're going to change the font style. Now go to the element and search for an office logo. Let's take this icon and change the color in white and adjust it with the company name. Change the name. Select all of this and make them little bit lower and change the color of company name and adjust the logo and the name together. Then take a rectangle shape and place it on the bottom of the page and copy this shapes we took before and place it on the lower side of the page over the shape like this. Then again take a text box and now write the name of the employee. Change the color in black. Make them uppercase. Change the font style. And take another text box and type the designation. Increase the font size, make it undercase and reduce the font size in 7. Then select all the items of lower and place it on the second page, and like before take the similar texture and replace to the background. Let's see how it is look. And take this similar shape and adjust it with the shape and press Alt and copy the logo. Copy the shape and change the color in white and change the logo color in orange. Now adjust the logo and the shape together. And give the shape a border in color orange. Now adjust the logo and the shape. Now let's take a text box and type the details. Here I copy pasting the details. Now adjust all the details together. Make all of them in same alignment. All the name in left alignment, all the details in left alignment. Make sure the line in middle alignment. Let's adjusting all of them. Make the box little bit lower and let's change the email. Now take a text box and type terms and conditions for the second page. Now go to the element and search a line and take a line and keep the position in 0 degree and keep the line weight in 1 and change the color in orange and keep the terms and condition and line in same alignment. Now copy pasting the term and condition. Now go to the element and search for a bullet point. Let's take this bullet point and adjust it with the conditions. Each condition, each bullet point. Now go to the elements and search for a hexagonal shape. Take this shape and change the color in orange. Now go to the element again and search for a barcode. Take this barcode and adjust it on the first page of the card. Here it is, a ID card design for a corporate or any business company. If you need this kind of design or any kind of design that you have, like annual report, pitch decks, presentation, brochure design, flyer design, logo design, please contact with us. Our contact details is attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.